Hello and welcome to Enthusiast Auto House and our 1990 Porsche 911 Carrera 4. This example has 86,000 miles. It's a 5-speed manual G50 transaxle. It's a beautiful silver metallic over black leather interior. The Cabriolet top is in great shape. It goes up and down and locks electrically. The electric spoiler also works properly. It has beautiful RUF Speedline wheels at all four corners with new Continental tires. We have extensive service records over about the past year. Mechanically, it's in excellent condition. Inside, there's some wear on the driver outer bolster, some seam separation right there. The door cards are both in good shape. Dash is pretty decent. There is some dry cracking right there. Gauges all work properly. And there's the 86,000 miles. It has an aftermarket head unit. Has heat and AC. There's the 5-speed manual. Handbrake operates properly. It does have an armrest for the driver's seat. Rear seats are in nice shape. And the driving experience is just wonderful. So there you have it, our 1990 Porsche 911 Carrera 4.